Welcome to a quick overview on how you can connect and verify your domain in Mailingboss without changing the name service in Namecheap or similar platforms. But if you want your domain to be completely on Builderall, you will need to change the name server. So let's get started. Right here in Namecheap, you can see that the domain name that we have purchased is BA Tutorials Online. I'm just going to copy that. And then you're going to go to Tools, Mailingboss, and then right at the bottom you will see Settings. You're first going to go and create your company, and then under the domains we're going to click New Domain. We're going to choose the external domain and we're going to add it right into this area. We're going to choose the company that we've created. We're going to click Next, and now it's going to give us the records that we need to go and add into Namecheap. So let's start with the DKIM. The first type is going to be a TXT. So I'm going to copy this name right here. We're going to go back to Namecheap, and under the advanced settings, we're going to click there, and then we're going to scroll down to add a new record. Because we know it's a TXT, we're just going to click TXT, and we're going to add our host in right there. We're going to go back and we're going to copy the value as well. Go back to Namecheap, we're going to add, and we're going to click correct. Now the DKIM was already set. Now we're going to go back and go to the next record, which is the SPF. Now this too is a TXT record, and it is a name is BA Tutorials, and you'll see that it is an SPF record. This is slightly different to where you will find the normal ad records. It's going to be found right here under the mail settings, which is the one right here. So for that, you're going to click on the existing one and you will see yes. And then you'll see that there is a little asterisk in between the all and the registrar. So what you're going to do is you are going to add it in right into this area, and you're going to leave a little space. That is exactly how you need to add it into this area. Once you're done, you're going to click correct. Now that one is added, we're going to go back to the D mark. Again, it's a TX record. We're going to click on the D mark, go back. This time we're moving up again to the TXT records right here at the top. Add the TXT, add the host. Now we need to go grab the value, which is the one right here at the bottom. We're going to grab that one and we're going to paste. Now there is something here that you need to change. You can see that there is a default of a mail to and your domain. You're going to have to change the domain name to the one that you have purchased. So in this example, this is what is going to be purchased, or what is going to be added into that area. And then your email, in this case we're going to just write abuse at BA Tutorials, and we're going to click. So you can see now we've also added in that area. The last one here is the CNAME record. We're going to copy the name value. We're going to create a new record. We're going to say CNAME. We're going to have our host. We're going to go grab the value again, and then we're going to drop the value in that area, and we're going to say correct. Note that you need to have 4 different kinds of records. We've got the SPF record, which is for email purposes. Then we've got the CNAME record, the TXT, and then again TXT. Important things to remember is to change the domain name inside of the DMARC record, and to add it at the bottom by the mail settings to include your Mailingboss. Once you've done with that, you can close your advanced settings inside of Namecheap. Now we've added all of these things. Please take note of the DNS records can take up to 20 minutes or 48 hours to propagate. All right. Once it's done, you will see a tick next to it. So we're going to click next, and then it says great, your domain is configured. We're going to click next, and now we want to create an email address. So we're going to click now, and we are going to create the email address, and we're just going to call info. We're going to go next, and now it's going to be sent to the email address that you've created under the professional email area. So if I click at the tools area right here at the top under professional emails, you first need to go and create the email account there. and then you will be able to access it, the code in your email account, and then enter the code right here. Once that's done, you're just going to click next, and then the verification will go through to the page. Once that's finished, just go to the tools, your professional email, and you will see that it's been verified inside of your account. Another alternative is to close your domains in that area, and you can go and create your email address right here by connecting your domain, and then just click on the link. That is basically all to this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in another. Bye.